Being a competent communicator includes empathy, adaptability, and self-awareness. One of the first things I think about as a teacher is how can I be a competent communicator with my students? Our students want to feel loved and recognized. They are smart and can easily pick up on when you are frustrated. To communicate effectively means getting to know your students' interests, hopes, and their fears. Students can pick up on your genuine affection and as a result will help build a relationship where they feel comfortable taking risks and asking questions. Celebrating student successes and encouraging them will motivate them to do well and will establish a safe and strong student-teacher relationship.